Good morning, good morning, good morning. Walk tayo guys. Good morning, good morning. Let's go walk guys. Going up to St. Joseph Church. This the road. Yung shortcut nandun po yung mga stairs sa harapan. So this one on the side. Dito po yung talagang road ng mga car papunta sa taas. Sa parking lot on the side of the big church. Let's go walking, continue walking, exercise. Just visit guys. Almost there guys, almost there. Paahon po ito. Woo! Ayan na po ang pictures natin. Hello, church. Hello, big church. Yan po, this one going to the isang park sa taas, yung pinaka-taas yan. Tapos ito isang parking. There, the big church. There's a bit garden. And here, there's a rose. There's paku-paku. Yan po ang side ng St. Joseph Church. Nandito na po tayo sa taas ng St. Joseph. By walking, we just visit St. Joseph. This is the view of St. Joseph during the day. If you can see the white thingy, there is airport. There, that's airport. You can see it's new renovation. New renovation guys. St. Joseph is a new renovation for like 3 or 4 years. 3 years maybe. Almost. Oh my garden nasa baba oh. Oh, ang ganda ng parking. Oh, yun na inaayos ng garden guys. Oh, see? Yung huli kong vlogs dito, ano pa, ang daming semento dyan, mga bato-bato malalaki. See, inayos na talaga. Oh, see, I told you guys. May flower na sa baba. People walking down there. Oh, wow. Very nice now, guys. And here too, tapos na po. Oh, tapos na, oh. May green grass na dyan. May tiles na dyan. May people can go there and sit down. The overview over there, look out. Nice, very nice. Good job. Good job. Good job, good job, good job. Here, the view in St. Joseph during the morning. Look at the people sitting down there. You can see them down here. And a bit prayer, you know. It's a church. So the same time you can look the view over here. Wow, so relaxing, so silent. Look at the view, guys. There's a helicopter over there. Ganda. Oh, wow. Ang ganda ng view at saka yung hangin. Fresh air, fresh air. Now I'm here again. Just pass by, guys. I'm going to work. Here the view now. Here. There. Alright. Thank you so much. There's a new one, guys. I think 2 years, 1 year. Wala ito nun. Right, guys, it's a statue. Maraming statue dyan. Ayun, no. Statue, different kind of statue. You can enter there, go there. I think how many statue down there? Yes, you can walk there. Nice rosary. We're on the top now, guys. We're on the top. Kanina nandun ako. Doon sa baba. Doon ako kanina. Ang hangin. Sarap ng hangin. Now, boy. You can see now, guys. So clear. The one I upload this morning, it's during night time. So, maganda dito pag look out. Maganda ang view. Mga lights. Ito na po. Hindi pa masyadong maraming tao. So still coming the tao mamaya. The people, the tao. Ay, nako. Ayan po ang view po dito pag during the day. Diba? Yun ang lookout. Ang lake doon. Lake around there. Lake. One more ikot. And we're going inside the church. And after the church, we're going out. We're going to work. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is a big chapel, guys. Sa taas ito, sa pinaka-rooftop niyan. Meron pa sa baba. It's a second chapel. A bit smaller, but this one is bigger. This one is bigger. Doon po tayo galing. There's the parking. The pinakataas na parking na po, guys. Ito. There's the parking. Thank you po for watching. Guys, ayun po yung small chapel, St. Joseph. Small chapel. Yan yung sa unang chapel. Then become like this. Yeah. Ito na ang pinakamalaki na. Lumaki na siya, guys. Lumaki. What is this? So long walk, guys. 1 hour walking. Now I'm going to work now. Bye bye, guys. Babush. Thank you. 1 hour walking, guys. Thank you so much. Babush. Thank you. Bye, church. You can see the church now, guys. Too far now. I'm walking down. It's a mountain. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. God bless po. Bye-bye now.